What's up Twitch? What's up YouTube? It's FJ and I'm super excited today for another unboxing. And today you can see there's a couple of boxes there behind me. Just to give you guys a quick explanation, I ordered the men's Burton Fish 3D directional flat top snowboard. It was on sale. It's my first powder dedicated board. I plan on going out west a lot more, Western Canada, BC, next winter, hopefully going out there again. I went out this past February and snow conditions were pretty good, but I gotta say it's probably not as deep as what I would have expected to get out there in the west, like by Kelowna Powder Highway. But I'm hoping next year we're trying to plan another trip to Revelstoke and other resorts around Powder Highway, hopefully in March when there's more precipitation, more snow. And I am also unboxing these men's Burton X EST, the replacement for the diode and the X base. These are supposed to be the lightest and stiffest snowboard bindings that Burton offer now. Paired up with my Burton Danner boots that I got last year. Love these boots this past season. So got my trusty buck knife. We'll start with the snowboard. I love these unboxing videos. It kind of sucks because obviously it's off season now. I'm just gonna be excited to ride this all year and I gotta wait until next winter. This isn't actually my first Burton snowboard, but this is my first Burton that I ordered from the website. Oh, this is sick. You can see here guys, directional. Nice long pointy nose, got that signature short but wide fish tail. Not a huge fan of the artwork, to be honest. I like the previous years better, but I mean, I'm not getting this for the artwork, I'm getting this for the function. Right off the bat guys, I can see the 3D shape on this board, thicker on the main body, but you can even see right there guys, like a beveled edge all the way up until here where it gets a little thinner on the nose. It's obviously symmetric, you can see that here too. On the tail, there's a bit of a curve right in this area, this shoveled out area in the middle. I can see a U or a V-shaped cutout right here that scoops upward. Accentuated here guys, like the spoon kind of shape on the nose. I can see it here too, there's a little bit of a slash on one side and then a slash on the other side. Kind of like, as you would say, TBT, Italian with triple base technology, but this one's more accentuated. Like you could see this whole thing, this shovel, a definitive ridge right here. That's like a straight line to the point. Burton Fish 3D, it's supposed to help keep you afloat, also reduce weight where you don't need it. The board rounds off around here, which is maybe like about 5 centimeters. Most snowboards you'll see have the rounded edge right there. So this is a 156, but it almost feels like a 150 to me with a pointed edge, you know what I mean? Comes with the hardware there for EST. Let's cut it along the channel. Oh, it's a matte finish on the top. I thought it was a glossy finish based on the photos online, but it's very much a matted finish on the top. Got a little bit of that wood grain, you can kind of see it on the camera there. The green is semi-transparent. Alright, you can see the cuts here, it's very much accentuated on this diagram. Terrain, powder, 10 out of 10. Flat under your feet with a rocker up pretty early into the nose. All mountain directional. It's got a taper. It's definitely got a fatter nose than it does for the tail. Directional flex. Superfly 2 700G core. Dual zone EGD engineered wood grain. 45-degree carbon highlights. Sintered WFO base. I've yet to try Methlon, but I'm super curious as to how much smoother and how much faster Methlon feels. Next box. Probably shouldn't be cutting towards myself. The bindings, and also I ordered 2 more sets of J-bars. I got 2 sets already. I actually have 4 pairs of boots. These are large. I'm a size medium, but I decided to get large so that I have even more material to help keep my heel down. General sizing, I feel like the large does work well for medium-sized boots. So I'm a size 8 boot. Medium is 8 to 11, but I find using the large J-bars just gives you that extra little bit of security in your boots. Here is Burton X EST men's, size medium. I was looking at these, like, obviously guys, like, this is Burton's premium line. $600 regular price for these bindings. No, I am not getting paid. This is not a paid promotion video. I bought these. I was finally able to get approved for the Burton Performer program, so I did get a pretty sweet deal on these, but I still had to buy them. So, oh my gosh, that's light. That is lightweight. Really light. Okay, good. It's already built in to have that forward lean at about f3, but I think I might put it all the way max to f4. Got the EST mounts. And I was wondering too why this didn't feature the hinge technology, and I think it's because adding hinge adds flex to it, but they wanted this binding to be the stiffest it could be. So by removing hinge technology or keeping hinge technology off this binding, it gives it the extra stiffness. And yeah, you can see this is kind of nuts. You can see all the way through to the back. So this spring bed will be interesting to try out. I appreciate the fact too that has additional text on the EST pointer for extra degrees and measurement. You'll notice other EST bindings don't have that. Has the double take strap system, a very similar asymmetrical ankle strap to the Genesis, and it also came with these. I'm trying to figure out what this part is. These little spacers. If my foot is larger than this base plate, you would need this for extra support. You don't want to break the spring bed. So I think this is for larger feet, but I don't think I'm going to need it because I'm a size 8. So this is the stiffest binding that Burton offers. Asymmetrical hammock strap. This is the Malavita. You'll notice it's only got one hard spine. This binding is an X cross. It's got 2 separate pieces, so that might actually be softer. So you've got a super stiff base, lightweight, but the ankle straps are more forgiving and a little bit more flexible. I wonder how that's going to play together on powder. Super Grip Cap Strap 2.0. Cushioning is a spring bed suspension system, trampoline under the foot. So again, interesting to use super stiff base plate, but you're adding flexibility with the spring bed. Yeah, carbon composite ultra high back, single component base plate. It's very clean. I like that. It's got the kink in the strap there, so it's easy entry. It's got some foam padding. I wonder too if I'm gonna experiment and move some of these components around. I have Burton Cartel EST and I have Burton Malavita EST. Maybe I'll experiment switching out some of these straps with the other bindings. Interesting, what I noticed here, last thing guys, you'll notice on the straps, they're regular screws. They're not toolless. Normally they have the little cap where you just flip it up and you can rotate. So it's not exactly super convenient to size these if you're out on the hill. You want to dial them in before that. Reference stance. This setup's gonna look like that. I think that looks pretty freaking amazing. What do you guys think? Yeah? Burton fish with Burton X EST bindings. I am so excited for next season. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments below. This was just for me to share some of my excitement with you guys. Peace out guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Peace out guys.